Welcome to the North Plains Groundwater Conservation District Web Map. This video will show you how to use this tool to provide a report of all the wells that are within a Groundwater Production Unit, or GPU. First, let's turn on the Groundwater Production Unit's map layer. We can also zoom in and turn on GPU labels, which may help in identifying the Groundwater Production Unit you're looking for. You can search for groundwater production units in the top search bar by switching to the groundwater production units layer and then typing either the ID or the name of the GPU into the search. The tool will zoom you to that GPU and select it for you. Once you've found your GPU, you can click on the polygon and select the View Well Report link. This link will open a report in a new window, and this report will include several things. It will include the GPU that you selected, highlighted. It will show you all the wells within that GPU, and if those wells are active or capped, they will have a buffer around them. The buffer indicates the distance from which a new well must be in that GPU. Also, the wells are colored gray if they are either capped, plugged, or canceled. Otherwise, those wells are blue. And you can click the well and see all the attributes and information about the well in the pop-up. You can also see the attributes for each one of these wells in the table to the right of the map. And this table can be scrolled through to the right to see the attributes. You can also download this table as a CSV file, and before downloading it as a CSV, you can remove some columns if there are some columns you don't wish to have in your output. You can also use this Copy Data button, which copies the entire table and lets you then paste it into another spreadsheet or document. Returning to the main map, it's possible to open up multiple reports in separate windows. Each time you click a GPU and click View Well Report, it will open that report in a new window. There's one other way to access this report. If you prefer to search for your GPU based on the well information within that GPU, you can open the sidebar and go into the Power Tools menu and select the GPU Select Report. This report looks a lot like the other reports, but this one has not yet been filtered for a single GPU. The table includes every well within this district and the ability to search on any of these fields. So you can find exactly the well you're looking for and then click the GPU link to generate that report. Note also in the report that in addition to the buffers around the wells, the GPUs also have inner buffers that represents the distance any new well must be from that GPU boundary. For further assistance, please use the NPGCD website button at the top of the map, which will take you to the North Plains Groundwater Conservation District website.